Hi Lito Manuel, hi Jeff. Nabaalaman tuloy si crush sa iyo. Ano daw, napalaban? Yes, but that's fine. Hi John. Hi Clarence. How old are you, Aris? Hi loves. Hi Kiddy. Aris, where are you? Ano, how old are you? Hi Ken. No matter age, important still breathing. Yeah, yes, exactly. But I'm just asking, how old are you? It's not a shed. There's nothing wrong if you say your age, diba? Hi, Kalwa. If you want, you private message me here about your age. My God, it's hard to speak in English, Aris. But I try my best. Hi, Jay. Ika Jay pala. Hi, Charlie. Okay, chat to mo age. What? Yeah, you chat your age. Chat your age. You chat me your age. Hi, Iko. What are you doing today? What are you doing? Me? Yeah, what are you doing? Thank you sa pag-follow, Bert. Grabe. Parang kailangan ko pang mag-inom para man lang gumaling ako sa English, no? Madam, gusto kita. Idol talaga kita. Sana all idol. Boss M, where you live? I am